In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare files in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up two versions of a PDF and see what changed, so you can review edits quickly and confidently. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. In the upper left corner, click the main menu and choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Select the PDF you want to use as your starting point, the version you consider the older or original file, and then click Open to load it in Acrobat. Choosing the right baseline helps Acrobat label the differences accurately, so pick the file that represents the before version. With the document open, look over to the left side panel. Find and click Compare Files. This opens a dedicated comparison window designed for side-by-side review. You'll see two rectangles waiting for files. The left side represents the older file, and it should already be populated with the document you just opened. If you notice it isn't, you can reselect the correct original there, but in most cases it fills in automatically. Now move to the right rectangle to choose the newer version, the updated file you want to measure against the original. Click Select File, browse to the revised PDF, and select it. Take a second to confirm you've got the older file on the left and the newer one on the right. Keeping them in the correct order ensures the results read as expected, with additions and deletions clearly identified. When both files look correct, click Compare. Acrobat will analyze the two documents. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on file size and complexity. Once it's done, the results appear immediately in a clear comparison view. In the results, Acrobat highlights changes directly in the document, and you'll typically see a summary of what was modified, things like text edits, formatting tweaks, image updates, or annotation changes. Additions and deletions are color-coded so you can scan quickly. You can click individual change markers to jump right to a specific edit and read it in context. If your documents are long, use the on-screen navigation to move through the list of differences efficiently. A couple of quick tips as you review. Comparisons work best when both files come from similar sources and aren't heavily flattened scans. If one or both PDFs were scanned, consider ensuring they have selectable text so Acrobat can detect changes more precisely. Also, keep your file names clear, like Project Original and Project Updated, to avoid mixing them up before you run the comparison. That's it. Open your original, find Compare Files on the left, pick the newer version, and click Compare to see the changes in seconds.